Freefly Systems just released what they're calling the world's most efficient LiDAR system. So let's see why. With 3 new Flux payloads, you simply draw a box, press upload, take off, wait, land, plug into an iPad, and minutes later, you're done. You can process data right in the field, and it only takes 5 minutes to process a LAS file. And the best part, no calibration and no subscription fees. Now let's talk about who these new payloads are for. Surveying, infrastructure inspection, and advanced environmental mapping. So first, the Flux H1, 300-meter range delivering 1.92 million points per second with triple returns and 360-degree field of view with accuracy to meet surveyors' strict standards. With its NDAA compliance and extremely dense 5.2 million points per second, the Flux O1 is ideal for government, public safety, and urban mapping. And finally, the Flux L1, with 450 meters of range and triple returns, it's optimized for longer range coverage rather than max density point clouds. It excels with linear environments like power lines, roads, and pipelines. And all the payloads also come with a 20 megapixel camera for colorization. Flux is engineered to work seamlessly not just with Freefly aircraft platforms like Astro and Alta X Gen 2, but also DJI Skyport, minimizing setup time and reducing the friction associated with third-party payloads. Flux is made for where our industry is heading. As BVLOS operations, automation, and data-driven decision-making become more common, having a LiDAR payload that supports autonomy-ready workflows and scalable data processing is crucial. Whether you're operating at low altitude for corridor mapping or collecting dense datasets for 3D reconstruction, Flux is designed to deliver repeatable, survey-grade outputs. For more information on these payloads, click on the link in the description below, and thanks for watching.